How to register your SHIEN account? Well, you can register your SHIEN account simply from the application itself, or you can head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into any of the web browser, as in Safari for now. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for SHIEN account sign up. Now head over to the very first site. It will be landing you on the official page of SHIEN. So in order to create an account, all you want to do is you have to sign in to your Google account or the Facebook account. So let me tap on Continue with Google. From all of these accounts, you have to select one specific Google account. Tap on Confirm. Now wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, your SHIEN account has been created successfully. Now you will be able to order the products from this site, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can register your SHIEN account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.